What's up, guys? It's Jay, back in the shop again. We are going to today show you part two, I guess, of the Vise restoration, and get into a little priming, painting, some polishing, stuff like that, and then we'll show you what it looks like as a finished product. And maybe later in the video we might get into a couple of do's and don'ts when pouring resin. We have a cool project coming up in the future for a pretty awesome guitar, and I learned some hard lessons. So without further ado, let's get to it. So we were able to unseize it, and you guys saw the priming and painting, and did some polishing on the handle here. She works. We got this unseized, and then I just highlighted the Craftsman in black. Thought that looked kind of sharp. I don't know what the original looks like. If you guys have any pictures of this original, post in the comments below. So she spins freely, nice and smooth now. Locks in place, everything is in working condition. So I can't wait to actually put this to use in the shop. Alright guys, well that wraps it up for the Vise restoration. This is going to be a shop regular now. It's going to be a workhorse. I love this Vise. Kind of goes with the Craftsman vintage theme. This thing was used. There's dents all over it, but that's part of what makes it cool. We have the old Vise packaged up for the winter. And that'll about do it for this episode. We would ask you guys to like, subscribe below, hit that bell that lets you know when we release new videos. And please, if you guys are going to shop on Amazon, hit those links down in our descriptions if you do any shopping on Amazon. That helps support our channel, and we really appreciate it. So until next time, guys, we'll talk to you soon. Always create.